So here's my E46 M3 again. I'm gonna go for a little drive in it, do like a, I guess a POV style drive with it. I bought a little suction mount to shove on the back of it. Here's some exhaust. I don't know how that will go because I'm just gonna shove the GoPro right there. But you know, hopefully it turns out decently. I bought like a little hat mount to shove the GoPro in my head. I don't really know how it's gonna go, but hopefully it goes well. So here I am in my E46 M3. Sorry about this camera situation. I don't know if it's the best angle. I don't really know if it's showing well or not. I just bought like an Amazon hat cam to shove the GoPro on, and you know, GoPro's kind of hitting the roof of the vehicle. It's all good. I tried like flipping it upside down to get like a more level POV, but I couldn't see through the GoPro. So, you know, maybe someone knows a workaround for that, but my eyes just don't see through objects like that. I know I probably could mount it to the sunroof. That might not be bad. It's got like a it's got a little squeak to it, I think, between gears, and on like kind of almost when you stall the car. I think I just need to change all the tensioner pulleys on all the belts. I want to go through them all because I haven't really changed any of the belts on the motor, so we're gonna just get rid of all the accessory belts, all the belt tensioners, underdrive pulleys, just change them all while I do the underdrive pulleys. That should make the car run really well. I want to do cooling at one point, but it's also like unnecessary, since at least right now it's unnecessary because it all works well and I don't track the car. So eventually I'll do it, but for now I'm gonna leave the stock cooling system alone. I feel a little awkward with this GoPro on the brim of my hat, but you know, this is just how I'm rocking today. Again, I apologize for just the straight up city driving. It's probably not that enjoyable to watch. Oh, we got people struggling to go into Target. Or they're just, oh, it's actually just packing up at Starbucks at 1:02 p.m. Oh, and Target's pretty bad. Again, I still feel awkward at lights. I feel like someone's just gonna look over to me with my giant GoPro on my head and be like, what the hell is this kid doing? I really love this RTD though. I know a lot of people kind of don't like them because there are quite a lot of pressure to get into gears. It's not as easy as just a short throw or even like just the stock shifter with some better transmission bushings, but I like it a lot. Steering on this car is pretty nice. I think I need to adjust it just a little bit though. I don't know if you change the toe in or toe out. However, to fix it's kind of like dead center. I've looked around and I feel like it looks like it's a pretty common issue on these cars, just a dead center on the steering wheel. But it's not awful. It's still enjoyable to drive. GT4 Python green, I think. So that was a quick drive on my M3. It wasn't very eventful because I don't really know too many good roads around here. But make sure to strap the GoPro to the back, get some exhaust clips. It's not the most eventful, like I said. Hopefully I can take this to some back roads. I know there's some surrounding cities with some good back roads. I just don't know the best roads, but I can go around and ask some friends, see where they like to drive. Maybe take this out and really open her up, I guess. Same thing with the GT4, I'll go ahead and do that. And even the Lancia would be nice to take out. I know it's not perfect right now in running condition, but I got a lot of parts piling up over here. So hopefully I can get that build starting soon. I'm just waiting for one more part to get in the mail, and then I'll start building that and probably make some videos of it. But this is it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and drive on my racing sim because I don't gotta deal with traffic in that. I also forgot to mention, for anyone wondering, this car has a Rogue Engineering El Diablo muffler, a Status Gruppe resonated midsection, and then a Rogue Engineering anti-rasp pipe, or whatever they call it, the version 2 of that. So it's pretty much like looks like a little muffler up front right off of the headers. It does not have headers done to it or a tune, and it only has a drop-in filter. I mean, there's not really much else done power-wise. I do plan on getting some headers. I was looking at active autowork headers, doing that, underdrive pulleys, and a tune. And I think that car will be pretty good until I get a CSL airbox, because I feel like that's just one of those mods that is necessary to at least try. Like, I want to be able to experience owning the CSL box on my car with a nice tune. I think that'll be a nice setup. I might change the gear ratio of the diff. I know a lot of people do like 3.3 to 9, or I don't know. I don't know the ratios, but lots of people like to change those. I don't know if that's going to be good or not for daily driving, but might be something I need to look into.